Hello, scrappers! Tonight I'm going to be scrapping this. This is a motor mount out of my friend's truck. Look at that. Is that motor mount shot or what? Now this is all cast aluminum. Magnet didn't stick to anything. None of these screw points here, where I'm guessing is brake lines connected. Not sure. Magnet sticks to this, and magnet sticks to this ring. But all this is cast aluminum. Put her on the scale. That's 4 1/4 pounds of dirty aluminum. I got to get that metal ring out. This will be worth a lot more if I can get this metal ring out. Now there's two ways of doing this. If I had a press, I could press it out. If I was trying to save the motor mount, I could get in here with a hacksaw and I could hacksaw into the blade, hacksaw into the ring on both sides and then kind of pry the ring out. But since we're scrapping this, I'm going to cut the aluminum. And the aluminum will come off, and then the metal ring should come out also. That's the plan. It's going to be my best bet to clamp this in there. I'll try clamping it like this. Yeah. And we'll get my... Don't know how good this is going to do. Got plenty of battery. Phew, stinky. Getting there. Now, when I got to a certain point, I heard it pop. So that must have been the thing, the joint expanding. Yeah, she expanded a little. And that's out. Didn't take too long. I got a nice big old hunk of cast aluminum. And some tin for the tin bucket. So we're back up to almost 4 1/4 pounds. So we had 1 1/2 pounds of tin for the tin bucket. The big magnet at the scrapyard can pick this up. That rubber's fine in there just the way it is. Tin for the tin pile. Let's see how heavy this aluminum is. 2 1/2 pounds. Not too bad. It's almost 2 3/4 pounds. Of course that happened. Well, hey guys, times are tough now. You never know, you might have to trade this stuff for some ramen noodles or soup or something. But keep your head up, keep your chin up. Just remember, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.